only shampooing isn't enough. That's how I actually saved my hair. So these are my washed hair and these are still wet. Introducing L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Hair Mask. Apply it evenly on your hair, rinse it off after 1 to 2 minutes and then see the magic yourself. See how soft my hair looks. I'm loving it. These feel super soft, super strong and pretty.